Hello. Hey. Hi. How are you all doing? Come in, please. Follow us. Come in. Follow us. Come in. Do you know that I have reached 17,000 followers? Hey, Ify, 17,000 plus followers. Amazing. I saw it and I said, wow, 17,000 followers. So I'm doing fantastically well. I thought I thought everybody would desert me. That because I have found a new thing I'm doing, they are not happy that they're going to say they don't want to follow. But people are following me. Even 17,000. Ha! Oh, wow, I'm doing good. Oh. Uh-huh. I am doing really, really well. I am doing well. If I can have 17,000 followers, I am doing well. But the problem is that some of them are not even all these 17,000. Sometimes I say, why are they not? I have 17,000 followers. How many people have viewed the stuff? I don't even know. Well, I don't mind. I am only having fun. If Facebook pay me fine, they don't pay me fine. I'm having fun. I'm enjoying it. I am having fun and I'm enjoying it. Come in and we need to do something here today. As you can see, I have this picture here, and you can see I have it on my head today. I have a new hairstyle. Hey, good evening, Sam. How are you doing, Samuel? I have a new hairstyle. I hope you guys like it. See my new hairstyle. I did that today. Hey, rocking myself, enjoying myself, having fun. Self Self-care is not selfish, isn't it? Yes. Self-care is not selfish. See, I have a new hairstyle, and I also have a new hairstyle, and I have my cowries. Yeah, look this one. Look at this one. I have this one here. I have this one. How many do I even have? Four on my hair. Four of them. Four cowries on my hair. I love them, and I'm going to talk about them because somehow people I don't understand. I can't understand what has come over us. Seriously, our people, something is wrong. Well, I used to be like them. I used to say, "Oh, thank you, Sam, thank you, Samuel." I don't even know that I like this hairstyle, but I don't care. I like it the way it is now. Different hairstyle. I used to be like them. So sometimes when they comment, I say, "Hey, oh yes, I used to be like them." When my brain, when I my when how will I put it now so that you guys know what will laugh with me? I used to be when my brain was dice when the cake and the vice as yeah. How did they even say it? That I used to be like them, but when I remember that the way we used to say it, I will say it here. That's what we say to them now. Efulefu, boss us efulefu. Ejiri isi unu weta pepper soup. Mbobo, keke sekwu ya, kedu ka ha sa sekwu ya. Yeah, they have taken away their brain. So I used to be like them. Then my brain hasn't come back. My brain is still with the room. You want to go in the room? But my brain has returned back now. I used to be like them. I used to see all these things as evil. I used to see, hey, do you even know? Ha! Let me tell you. I don't even. You see this Oliver Osadebe? You see them Oliver the Coke with all those secular music. I don't dance them all. That time I was Holy Wednesday. Holy, Sister Holy. I don't dance. I don't used to dance those dance. If they're playing it, let's say if I go to a party and they're playing it, I will not sit down like that. I won't be dancing it though because I don't want to go to hell. Thank you, my brother. I don't used to dance Oliver the Coke. I don't used to dance Osadebe. I don't used to dance all this secular music. I don't used to dance them. I'm telling you guys the same. My own was like sister the sister. I don't used to. Born twice. My own born twice was like, I am not that would dance them. Do you want rapture to happen now so that I will miss heaven? Oh, I don't want to dance. I will not dance those Osadebe. I will not dance Oliver. They will saw it as if they're all evil, you know, that all these things are evil. I was indoctrinated to believe that I should not dance Oliver the Kokwe. They were all evil, secular music, everything. I will go to party, I will sit down. Once they are playing that one, but if they play Christian music, you see me, I will, hey, sister, Esibo sister can be that. Sister, don't be small, oh. The big sister. Yeah? All these things I used to see them as evil. If it's me, then I was even this carry, then I will say, hey, which one is she wearing then? So then now they are telling me, because my eyes has opened, I have seen that this is natural. This is Almighty Creator that created this. Why do we have to call this evil? Why do we have to say this is demonic? Why is our Christian brothers and sisters find something that is the Almighty Creator created it, and they said that this is evil? Something that you go to the sea, it is just a shell. You pick it up, and here, look at them. I bought them in the shop. Look at this one. I bought this one. This one has like a bracelet. I bought it in the shop here in Ireland. I bought them. Even when I went last time to when I went to Spain. Was it Spain? Yeah. Was it Spain? I think it's Spain. I saw them. So I bought them. So today now I have to go and remove some of them because the one I put in my hair, I kind of misplaced it. So I have to go and remove this. I cut this one off and then put more in my hair. So that in that has Namo Obanje. People say that I become Obanje. See the comment of somebody there. Did you see one of our comments on my Facebook when I put that in? Did you see when I posted it? Did you see the comment of this guy? This guy now commented and said, one of our, I know him. Oh, I know him. He said, Ndi Obanje jikwaya achoma. Imagine. See our people. See the way they call everything. See the way we have been indoctrinated to hate. But everything about Christianity is perfect. But I will tell them now something. Yeah? They don't want you to go there, but they will see everything. And before you know it now, they will say, attack. I posted something. I say, why do we have to call cars evil? What is wrong? Why is this thing just a fashion? I put this on my hair. Some of my friends were saying, why are you wearing this? Have you become the Dibia? Yes, I'm Dibia. Dibia campus. Baba also. You guys should be afraid of Fifi. Now he said, do Obanje. So happy for Obanje now. I am now Obanje. There's nothing Christianity cannot call anybody. I'm telling you. Now I become Obanje because in the Obanje GMA fashion. So Obanje is using this thing as fashion. Hey! Oh my God, they carry their their battery head. It's gone. Battery head of Igbo Christian is gone. I was like then, my battery head was carried out, but my battery head has returned back. It has returned back. See what they said? See? That is what we believe. This is what we are indoctrinated to believe. That if you have something like this on your hair or wearing it, they will be seeing you as Ibonoya Obanje. Imagine what we have done to ourselves. Imagine. You just see the kind of bondage we have found ourselves into. Then I'm gonna ask. I send a message. I said, see the type of mentality you have. So you knew it was used as a currency. He knew it was used as a currency, but now Ndi Obanje is using it to beautify themselves. Yeah. What is even Obanje? So you Igbo Christian that uses Cesare Borgia. You know Christian Cesare Borgia. That one that I put there on my Facebook last time. I talked about it. Cesare Borgia picture. Borgia picture. That they will carry his picture that they say is their Jesus. They don't even know how their Jesus looks like. They don't even know how their English Jesus looks like at all. The English Jesus, you go indoctrinated them into believing the Zeus. They don't even know how he looks like, but they will wear it. They will wear Borgia, a man that is a onye okpontu, that even is a insect that even have a intercourse with his own sister, that even on your pontu, yeah, Gabriel, imagine quote the Gabriel, imagine here, they will wear it though. They will use his picture and put it on their neck, on or they call it, what did they even call it? Some of them they wear it. Most of them they wear the cross, everything. So why is this one now become evil? The cross was made with wood, so wood too is evil now, because cross is made with wood. Cross is also, the other one is also made with a gold, and the one that they will put the picture of whoever they call is their Jesus. What is the name of that guy? Of that guy that say he want the world to start worshiping him, so he has become Jesus. The Cesare Borgia, and the ones that acted. The Cesare Borgia is the one that you go to all the houses, you will see his picture everywhere as their Jesus. So those people that are wearing Cesare Borgia, and they as like rosary chaplet. What do we call that one? If you guys can see what I'm putting on my hair now and say it's evil, so you don't even know that you are the one that is even the worst evil so far. Don't you know you are the one that is wearing demonic thing? Because the Cesare Borgia is a gamer, is a woken up onto. Yeah, he's also the one that is that is also an insect, a man that have a sex with his own sister. What do you call that one then? Yeah, that you guys have everywhere in your houses. Yeah, even the Catholic, the Pentecostal. So the what is it called? So you want to tell me the cross, that cross thing that you guys have that was made with wood? Where is wood coming from? Eh? That you're not telling me that anybody that wear this one is now Obanje. What is even wrong with our people, self? What is wrong with Igbo Christians, self? What is your problem? What is going on with you guys all? I don't understand. So now this one commented, you guys will even have the one they call Mary. You wear Mary thing, model status, everything, you wear them. But the one that is just natural, that you go to the sea and you pick it up. So this is what, because it's from the sea. You guys have target non Obanje. Akowa. You guys have target now. Down it's Obanje people that is using it. Hey, emerunu here nke me. Ndị Christian, ndị Igbo, what has come? Gịnị ka emere unu? Hey, ọ dị egwu. Chineke deliver. The Christian, ndị Igbo, Chineke deliver ara anyị unu. Christian ndị Igbo, unu need deliverance. Unu bụ ndị eriri eri. Brain manipulate. That is the kind of brainwash emere unu is quite unfortunate. Thank God I am free. Oh, thank God. I'm so happy, so pleased with myself that I can wear this thing, that I can even go and dance. You saw me dancing Osadebe. I don't used to dance them before. I'm telling you, I don't used to dance Osadebe. Oliver the Coke, I don't used to dance them. All those ones they say secular music, I don't used to that. Now it's like I'm a bird. I am flying. I'm not a bird. I'm flying. I'm enjoying this my freedom. Hey, I try to catch him again. Hey, because I am drinking that more. Because I am drinking that more. Because if not you that I heard your voice, I said this thing that I worship, that this thing that I think it is what it is, or it's not what it is, or it is there you say I don't know Dodger go to the F. Oh, I don't know Dodger go to the F. Master that can I drink it up, ma. Hey, what is that? Because you put up because you are the one that makes me to my brain that this me. Greetings, my dear. You are the one that makes me to regain myself. Mazin Nandekano that told me and still does and say, oh, Carlos in the Greek couldn't have. Oh, Carlos in the Greek couldn't have. Yeah, then I decided to say, hey, Mazin Nandekano. So are you saying that 9 Carlos in the Greek? Now fine about Jesus, no crazy. In short, no Carlos in the Greek. Where see can check over. If not, I could have been the same. I will still be here I will still be where I am. I will still be holy, 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 holy Wednesday. I will still be doing holy, holy. I will still call carry civil. The money not one jet. Look at what somebody said. He said it is not Obanje that is using it. Oh, if people know Obanje, Obanje can't put it down. But onye Obanje, but come from Antichrist to know Obanje when can I perform? The Christian, the Igbo. Hey, Tufia. Ndị Christian Igbo Christian unu nwere nsogbu. Yeah? So now it says it's Obanje used it to do the Obanje. Ndị Ogbanje jikwa ya achọ mma. Imagine our people. Hey! Eberebe egburu. Eberebe egburu. Ogbanje biko na-eyuzizi ya. Onye ọ na-enwe ya webe. Onye ọ na-asụ ya asụma. Anybody that is not happy with my car, reach you God, jekwu ụdọ. Ọkwa ifuru ya m na-eti ezi ya n'isi ka ọ na-ewezi unu. Chọtụnụ na-afụzi m na-akpọzi m ndị Ogbanje. If you say that I'm not Ogbanje, when you see me now, you'll be running away. When you guys see me now, you guys should be running away. Ogbanje na-abịa. Hi! Ike gwụrụ biko nna I'm so if we can see where the before we're not bad, they lose. I asked the question. I said, you guys said there is spiritual wife, there is spiritual children, spiritual husband, spiritual spiritual wife. Why is but you have spiritual mother, spiritual father in the Lord, spiritual those ones. Why are you not binding? Why are you not binding the spiritual children? Binding the spiritual wife, binding the spiritual husband, but you are not binding the spiritual mother, spiritual father. If you can't mess, it doesn't work now. You have to buy all of them together. Every binding spirit, every spiritual thing, you have to buy and lose. You have to cast them and lose them. You can't only be casting spiritual children and spiritual wife and spiritual husband, but you can't cast spiritual father, spiritual mothers. Yeah, you have spiritual mother, spiritual. You have to cast all of them, bind all of them, and cast them away. All of them, bind them and cast them away. Hey! They carry their brain boss. My brain boss has returned back to my Omenala. Omenala abụghị ihe ọjọọ. Omenala is not evil. Omenala Igbo is not evil. We have to return back to our Omenala. Omenala nke na-esikwa abụkwa ndị na-eme evil. Because Omenala ndị evil, aka m adịghị ya. I serve my creator the way I feel comfortable, because that is the way I want to. We have to, yes, my dear, I really love it. I love it. Oh, don't mind them. Let them be running away from me. Now that I'm wearing carry, they said it's only Ogbanje people. I'm not Ogbanje. Let them be running away from Ogbanje. You shouldn't get the character. These are people they get for body. So, what am I saying? What am I even saying? Hi, I don't forget this. So as I said, they will wear crucifix that they have Borgia, Cesare Borgia, that say he want to be their Jesus. They will wear the person that is even upon two. They will wear the person that is even inside, that is even sleeping that slept with her sister, that slept with his sister. They will wear it, but when they see person wearing this one, they call it demonic. Hey, they say you have become demon, you are possessed. But they will wear the person. They will wear crucifix, wear Virgin Mary, wear all this thing. Even the cross that you guys are wearing, it was wood. They use wood, or they use steel. Wood, is it not natural? So why is those ones not evil? Then I'm wearing this one that I love. I saw now, I love it, and I'll be wearing it, and you guys calling it evil. You guys have a problem. You guys are really have a problem. Hey, well, Africa, or Guinea Merono, Who has bewitched you guys that everything you see is evil? You see, this time I am dancing Oliver the Coke well. I'm going to dance Osadebe very, very well. All those things there that they said I won't dance, that they told me don't dance Oliver the Coke, it's a sin, it's evil. Oliver the Coke, we as Namiri. Oliver the Coke, music is from the water. Osadebe is an evil man. Don't dance that music, don't dance it, it's evil. I will be dancing them now. Hey, I am free. My brain boss has returned back to my Omenana. I love those. See that Oliver, that Osadebe song. I love the beating. I love it. I'm enjoying it. The one I will not dance is the one that will sing anything that I know. I don't even know what they are singing. They say they are praising Satan. I won't dance it. But anyone who Bunkendi Igbo is that Igbo, they are praising. I'm hearing the way I know what they are singing. I will definitely dance it. All the secular music, I will dance it now. That is the because you know they deprive me not to enjoy those things, not to dance that thing, not to say it's evil. And if I dance it, rapture will happen, you will go to hell. You will go to hell when rapture is done. Let that rapture happen. No even rapture. Do you know there's no rapture? Did you know that one? Let me show you who put. Let me tell you the name of the person that put that rapture in your Bible. That you guys are waiting. John Nelson Darby. John Nelson Darby added rapture doctrine to the Bible in 1827. Go do your research. To put fear to the people and bring in lot of money to Romans. You added rapture to the Bible. Nothing like rapture. We have been waiting and waiting all these years. Rapture no happen. Man, I did there. They shout rapture, rapture. You guys should be there. They shouting, "It's coming! Rapture is happening." Will rapture happen now? Since when I knew something up to now, we are still waiting for rapture. Rapture no happen. We are still waiting for return of English Jesus to come. He hasn't come. Even some of our pastors still building airport. I saw the one that one of our pastor Yatipo is trying to. He's now constructing an air railway where his aircraft will be passing through. Why he says he finishes in 2020 what? Did he say it will finish in 2020, 2030 or when? So he's not even waiting for rapture. This rapture, you guys are there shouting rapture, rapture. It's end time, it's end time. Rapture, rapture, rapture. Alright, Oyatipo is building aircraft runway that is his aircraft, private one. That is aircraft will be his private jet that he has collected money he has taken from you guys will pass through. He didn't even say it's not waiting for rapture, but you guys are there believing rapture. Rapture, rapture, rapture. Rapture, rapture, rapture. Keep believing rapture. Church, make sure that they give us our money so that we that we don't want rapture, we will stay in this earth, enjoy life. We that we don't want rapture, we that don't even want, bless us with money. Let us enjoy life on earth. Let our people continue waiting for rapture and waiting to go to heaven. But me, I am here. I'm going to enjoy my life. I'm going to dance those Osadebe. I'm going to dance those Oliver the Coke. I'm going to dance those secular music, even flavor. I will dance them. I don't used to dance them before. Now I'm dancing them. I am enjoying my life. No more pain. Nobody cage me again. No more caging me with lies. No more. I am free. I am a bird. I'm flying. I'm enjoying life. My brain has returned back. See? You see what I said is simple. I am not having another one. see this one here. When you guys see me begin to run, Obanje is coming. When you guys see me coming, the Christian Papa also. They run. When you guys see me back, they run far away. Because me, I will be wearing this now. I love it. Lovely fashion. Ndocha is wearing it too. If you guys see Oyibo people wear, you don't even call them name. You see, if you see them wearing it, you will be admiring them. You'll be admiring them that they are wearing it. See the bracelet one. I bought them in the shop. I bought it in the shop here. In the where there is have the the beach, close the shop there. They are selling them. But there are people that start saying it's a bunch of people that is wearing it for beauty. Imagine. See, look at our people. Hey! Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Our people need help. Oh, Irish people, my Irish friends. Sorry, when you see them, they're commenting like that. Please forgive them. I remember you guys. We are used to be like that for years. You guys, we are like we are indoctrinated. Believe these pastors. Believe the reverend fathers. Believe them until you guys' eyes we are open. You begin to question them and begin to tell them that this thing they are doing is work. And you brought them to court. All of them. You brought them to court to go and pay for all the children they molested, all the children they molested, even adults they did evil, they rape. You brought them to court, and today you decided that you are no longer going to church. Our people is still in darkness. That's why they will see cowries and they will say it's evil. Somebody wearing it, they say the person is demonic, that the person is now possessed. Hey, what really happened to us? I believe that we are waking up. We are on our waking time. We are waking up. Our people must know the truth. Stop going to these churches. So be on your own. Stay at home. Pray to your Chukwu. The way you know how to pray to him, he will answer you. Do you guys saw where I said Igbo is Chukwu? I will come. Don't worry. We have something that will be coming out very soon to be educated our people. This emancipation. They use us to bring our people into this bondage we are. The women too will be used to liberate us. Will be used also to tell the world, to tell our people the truth. Some people are telling me that I am this one, I'm that one. I know, I agree. Anything you like, talk. We think say they move me. No, they move me. Oh, as I've made up my mind. Thank you, my dear. Yes, we are. As I have made up my mind, yeah, as I have seen the truth, yeah, as I have done research, they say, spiritual thing is spiritual. Don't go touch spiritual thing. Is it not your Bible that says, let me read you what your Bible say to you? Let me read for you what your Bible say. Where is that place? I put it somewhere. Where is that your Bible say that you should use your brain, that you are created with wisdom? Yeah? That if you don't ask question, you're a fool. That if you don't ask question, the Bible says so. If you don't ask questions, that you are getting Igbo fool. Obomukuria is there in your Bible. I'm trying to find out that place he said it. Everything they introduced to us, everything, Europeans, I don't care, I'm in their country, but I'm telling them the truth. Thank God Irish people are different. At least they emancipated themselves. They know what I'm saying is true. Because their Reverend Father abused them, molested them. Reverend Father did all evil to them. Reverend Father raped them, did so many evil. They brought them to court. All of them, they started talking like they said they won't go to church again. These people, they trusted them. Thank you. Nice to be here, Ike. Thank you so much. They trusted them, but they destroyed them. As now, how Nigerians are destroying all those pastors and all those reverend fathers are destroying an Igbo. That's what they did. They emancipated themselves and said no more. So they know that I'm saying the truth. So somebody say you are living in their country, and I will be saying to them, I will be saying it because they know I'm telling the truth. They are free from Christianity. They are free from this bondage of lies, man-made religion. They don't want it. So, first, my brother, everything they introduced to us has destroyed us. It has destroyed us. Look at them now. They want to bring Ikpo Ntunike. Ike mere for ike nsi. Ịlụcha ndị Igbo si ịlụ aka ịlụta nsị n'ike gị. Ime ka esi lụọ aka n'ike gị, ihe ha lụta nsị. Ya ka ha chọkwara aka unu mebe. Ịfụnanya ihe ha butesiri anyị. Ọkwa ndị same people unu butere unu Bible. Na-ewetasịkwa unu na unu je si na ọ bụ na unu ekweta ha kpọba ntu na ha ya na-enye unu age. Na ọ bụrụ na ekweta ya na-akpọ ntu nwaanyị ebe ihe ya metụtara nwaanyị na-atọ ụtọ. Na ọkụ nwaanyị na-atọ ụtọ. Unu asịzi nwoke asịkwasị na ya chọzi ihe gbasara ihe ndị be anyị emebughọ bifo. Ndị omenala nna nna anyị ha emeghọ. Nna nna anyị ha ka bụrụ nke a na-eme na-asa anyị na nna nna anyị ha mere arụ. Unu nwa na-emezi arụ karịa. ihe nwaanyị na-atọ ụtọ na-afụchacha ụtọ nwaanyị si n'ọdụ kwụsị mma nọọ nke bụ n'ike ka na-eji na-arụ ya. Ndị be anyị na-emezi ya na ndị be anyị si na-ịrụ ya aka ịlụta ike nsị na-esi isi enweghị ka esi wee lụ ya aka n'ike ihe ha lụta nsị n'ike bụ na-esi isi ka ihe were ihe ahụ Chineke gị nyere gị ihe etinye n'ebe nke nwaanyị ihe mee enjoy wee si mba nọọ n'ike nsị ka ihe na-etinye ya arụ na-eme iwe na-etinye ya n'ike nsị. Ndị be anyị ndị ọcha na-eme ya unu karị hapụ ọkwa ha mebe nọ ihe ha dị mma ihe ha chọrọ ime ọkwa na ka ha si wee butere anyị ihe niile a butere anyị ihe ọjọọ si anyị na anyị nara edukeshọn nwanne ha nyere anyị onweghị nke it's not helping us. Nke ihe ha kpọdịrị ya demokrasi ebelebe democracy ebelebe no democracy they brought to us the worst thing that has happened to us because our people cannot manage it. This is not who we are. You cannot come and give people what they that this cannot help them. This is not us. There's something that can work for us. All this thing they brought to us doesn't work for us. It's not working for us. Yeah, they brought to us so then they now everything has destroyed us. Religion, Christianity, Islam, Judaism, all the thing Abrahamic religion. Tell me which one is better? No one. As the Western education, if you go to college school now, go to school and when you now nothing, you cannot practice, no practical. That you don't have practical. All you know is theory. Then you have practical here, but then it's theory. Even when you finish that college, even when you finish that school as a doctor, or you want to work here as a nurse, or you want to work here as a lawyer, or you have to come back here and start afresh. I'm telling you, you cannot even get a job. You will come back here and start afresh. Then you have to go and do training. You have to start afresh again. That your certificate, they don't want it. The same people now, you guys are saying, hey, they brought us education. Education rubbish. Won't get them. How with Christianity, how with Teruno? I say how with Terani. Were onye kebu onye ka asị na ọ bụ ya Yeshua na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu dị na ka Yeshua si wee bịa Yeshua si wee bịa wee na-agwa ndị ụwa bụ ọkwa ha Afrịka ka ọ bịara ndị ọcha wee gbuo ndị buru ndị Rom bịa Afrịka ahụ bịa gbuo ya ebe a ndị ọcha ndị Rom ka ọ bịa ọ bụ ọkwa onye ọcha ka ọ bụ onye oji ka ọ bụ onye oji ka Yeshua bụ onye oji ha bịa ha wee si ya gịnị wee ka ọ na-agwa ha na ihe anụ na-eme adịghị ọma the same thing Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-eme ọkwa the same ụmụnne ya bụ ndị Afrịka kpọrọ ya because the same ụmụnne ya ndị Afrịka dekwara ya the same ụmụnne ndị Igbo na-elekwa Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ewe ha si ka ha gbuo ya ama ma agbafuo onwekwa mgbe o ji si unu na ya bụ Chukwu Yeshua never say I am God. He never said you guys should say me I'm God. He never said you without me I'm the only way, the truth, and the life. He never said it. When Bojupia didn't have been how with it because in the Bible to what I ask. Come back to Christianity. Block you. I'm serious because I am go back to lies. I hate it. You can stay there. You love it, but me, I told him Yeshua will. Si na according to research emere ihe research tara ma ihe ndị mmadụ na-ekwu ma nke fụrụ Yeshua enweghị mgbe o ji si na ya bụ 3 in 1 God ọkwa ndị Catholic ndị Roman ndị Council of Nicaea mmadụ human being tikwara nke ahụ si na Yeshua bụzi 3 in 1 God wee si na ọ bụkwa Chukwu Yeshua enweghị mgbe o ji si na ya bụ Chukwu o claim na ọ bụ Chukwu ya egbu Chukwu ahịa egbu Chukwu bụ mmụọ na-egbu o si na ya bụ Chukwu egbuo ya onwekwa bụ ihe na ofuru dị na Bible a Yeshua ihe eti na Bible almost all of them bụ asasị ụfọdụ ndị anyị si yes na Bible eti na history anyị ekwetara m na enwere nke bụ history anyị from the Old Testament some of them all of them ha jere plagiarize ya wee tinye ya wee kọpị ya bịa nwa ihe gbasara anyị wee were ya tinye ndị Igbo unu bụ ndị ụmụ Chukwu ọnụwa ka ụwa si wee bido ụnụnwa bụ ndị Igbo ka ụwa si wee bido mara na ya tata mana ifunanụ ka ụnụnwa esi wee bịa ihe niile a na-eme unu ka iri eji wee mara n'ụwa kpọrọ ụnụ asị na ya mere na ha ma n'ihe unu bụ ha ama ihe unu bụ ọ ya ka a ji kpọọ unu asị. Ha ma na Igbo nwere onwe ha, hey, ihe dị iche ya dị, mana ọ ga-emerịrị. Ụmụ Igbo ya nwere onwe ha, Chukwu anyị ya eme ya. So enwe ha bịa were aghụghọ niile a gwado m ka esi wee tụrụ m asị 1, tụrụ m asị 2, tụrụ m asị 3, tụrụ m asị 4, na-afụ 5 asị ihe niile nwa ya kwuru ọ bụrụ asị asị. Iwe sị m ka nọrọ, ịkpọ m na fon again sị m bịakwa jebere gị jee nnabata gị na onye nwanụ. Ịgba bụ m onye ahụ a na-akpọ Jizọs ma afọ ya mgbe 2000 years ago onwe ya na-aza Jizọs, ka jụọ gị ya, onwe ya na-aza Jizọs 2000 years ago, that J ọ dị na nwere ya. Ọ bụ na e nwere onye bịara n'ụwa bịa sị na ọ bụ ya, ọ bụ Jizọs 2000 years ago, ka ezighi esi bịa after 3 years 300 years bịa weta onye nwanụ bịa sị anyị na anyị febe na ya bụ Jizọs, na ya bụ Savior, na ya bụ ọ bụzikwa God, na ya bụ Chukwu, anyị febe ya. Febe ya isi na ịkpọ ya na ọ na-aza gị. Onye ọbụla nọ n'ụwa, ndị Budi na Buda na ndị Hirishima na ndị ụwa niile, o nwere ka ha na-akpọ, ọ na-aza ha. Onye ndị na-aza ndị ahụ ekpere, onye ndị na-aza ndị niile nọ n'ụwa ekpere, ọ bụ sọsọ Jizọs na-aza ya. Nwezi ihe na ndị ahụ ị na-agwa m na ha anaghị ekpe ekpere na ekpere ya na Chukwu anaghị aza ha, Chukwu na-aza ha ya. Nke onye kwetere mebi ya. Ebe ị karị nọrọ na bondage nọrọ, mụnwa anaghịzi m anụ. Maazị Nnadikanu kwuru ekwu ha anyị ozugbo kwuo na ọkụ ihe unu na-efe bụkwa ihe gịnị ndị Grik idol. Unu asị m bịa febe nke ndị Grik, mụ abụzie kama mmefebe nke ndị Grik idol jee febe nke ndị be anyị. Ọ ka ha manụ abụbụ ha. Baịbụl, akwụkwọ nsọ si dị sef, nkwa Baịbụl unu si say you shall not worship any other god, nke ndị ọzọ foreign god. Unu asị m bịazi foreign god ndị Grik mbịa febe ya. Anya emenụ ebe e mụrụ gị eziokwu adịgo free. Na-agbazie Ọsadebe. Hey, Ọsadebe, I'm dancing Ọsadebe now. I don't used to dance Ọsadebe. I don't used to dance only for the coke. I don't used to dance all those secular music. I'm dancing them. I'm enjoying them. As long as mmanụ ihe m na-eme, mmadụ emegidere m, anyị emegide mmadụ. Aka m dị ọcha, anọ m n'eziokwu, ana m emegide mmadụ emegidere m. Chukwu m fụrụ m n'anya. Here, my God loves me so much. So this my hair, this my cars, where they say I don't become a banje. I hear una. Nke ọbụla unu fụrụ m na-agbakwa ọsọ, unu fụ m ha, unu fụkwa m na-agbaba na ọsọ, abụzikwa nwa dibịa. Unu fụ m na-agbakwa na ọsọ na nwa dibịa na-abịa. Asịkwasị na abụzi n'ọdụ ọgbanje na-eji achọ mma. Unu afụkwalụ mese ọgbanje na-eji ihe achọ mma. Hey! Ihe ka emere unu all the bad. Thank God that I'm not free. I hope for the man you're not free. I know that they are getting freedom. They are empowering and celebrate massively. Yes, now that's what they are doing. They are empowering them. You know, you can't say no isi. That be ndị Igbo tụrụ isi enwe ka esi rute esi ya alụtasị. Ka e were ihe Chineke kere eke. Asị unu na-etinye na nke ụmụ nwaanyị na-atọ ụtọ. Ụmụ nwoke wee decide ya na nke ụmụ nwaanyị niile na-esi isi. Ya bụ were na-etinye n'ibe ha. Ọ bụ ya ka unu na-eburu na-etinye onwe unu tinyeche na ihe ịma ike isi ịma nsị ịmakwa infection na-adị na bacteria na-adị na nsị. Bacteria unu ewere ihe na tinye ebe a, mana unu tinye ya na ahụ ụmụ nwaanyị onwe dị ihe olespe nwaanyị ahụ bụ ọya. Olespe nwaanyị ahụ bụ ọya ya bụ na-enweta disease. Apart from that, ebe a ka emere ya. Ebe a ka emere ya unu na-etinye. Unu enwe decide kwa na nke ike si na bụ asị na nwaanyị nwoke tie nwe ndị Igbo si ịlụ nwoke esi lụta ike ihe ha lụtasị. Nwoke ha eji sagidi ha ya asatasị na ya. Ọsọkwa gị ọ ya asata. Unu ewere ya tinye ewe a na-achụta iwetara unu si na ọ bụrụ na ekwete ha, ọ bụrụ na ekwete ha, unu ekwete ha na ya aza enye unu ed. Ọ bụrụ na ekwete ha ime ya implement na ya aza enye unu ed. Ifugonunu ọkwụ na aka esi wee mee Baịbụl unu wee gbusisie ndị mmadụ ndị niile egburu maka ihe Baịbụl a na-akị akọ. Actually, m nwere ihe mkpịsị post. I posted that on TikTok blocked it. I received for somebody. This man went and had to make investigation wee find out ka ndị ọcha si wee na-ekpọtụrụ ụmụazị n'Africa. Ụmụazị wee na-egbusisi wee na-eme sacrifice. Play yourself. I'm on my Facebook nwere ike block m. Block ya. wee na-eme etinye ma tiktok ama m na Facebook edit ya ntinye na tiktok ote dị 30 minutes ndị mmadụ like bịa wee na tiktok blọkọ ya si mụ na ya shiazitisi nwoke onye ọcha pụtara wee na-ekwu confess na-ekwu na ihe investigation ha mere ndị ifuru ndị NGO ha si na ha bụ na ndị nwere organization bụ charity foundation ndị a ụmụazị ha na-akpọkọtasị ha na-egbusisi wee were ha na-eme ritual amam ma mesi onye si m send area separate send area m separate na gebe na ntị ụnụ ewe were ya na-eme ritual ana m ajụ sị ọ bụ ndị Igbo gbusiri ndị a na-egbu ọ bụ ancestors unu mere ya you guys hated your ancestors unu develop kwana food ka anyị mara nke unu ewepụta ancestors unu niile ha develop since ụwa your ancestors develop discover ụkwa your ancestors discover egusi your ancestors discover ke ihe na-akpọsị ya discover ke ihe bụ nke ọgbọnọ your ancestors discover tell me my akwu all of them the same thing your ancestors discover. That's what you are using up to now. You guys have not discovered anyone. Which one have you discovered? Say this is the new one we have discovered. All the herbs nine that they are using to treat you guys, herbs, ancestors discovered them for years. They discovered them. Which one have you guys discovered? No one. So why are you now saying your ancestors are evil? But you never discovered nothing. Munagina short, I may discover I one cream na help for psoriasis. I try go discover. Cream na help for psoriasis ya na ezeba. I one day now you me wepụta cream a. Ndị mmadụ na-use ọ na-awọkrụ ha. Onye kpọọ m si ya abịa ka meria ya ọ na-awọkrụ ya. You, which one have you discovered? No one. You have not discovered nothing. Ndị nke your ancestors discover ha niile ka you can use up till today. You are using them. Up to today, you are eating egusi, you are eating ogbono, you are eating ji, you are eating akpu, you are eating ogiri. All of them, your ancestors discover. You, which one have you discovered? Which one you really say this is the one you invented for us to be using? Ndị ogboro ọfọ, ndị GZZ, the one akpọ unu gịnị? Which one? No one. No one. You have not. But it's the same your ancestors can akpọgbu n'ọnụ. Each ancestors ha no be the hammer. Each ancestors si na akpọgbu n'ọnụ ibe na-akpọ ancestors ndị ọcha. Gabriel ancestors nna ajụ unu si ndị Igbo ya na-aza Gabriel. Ndị Igbo ya na-aza Samuel. Ndị Igbo ya na-aza Samson. Ndị Igbo ya na-aza Saul. Mba, anyị azaghị ya. So ndị Igbo ka ekunu esi na sent ndị a. Ndị nke a bụ Saint Gabriel, Saint Michael, Saint Uriah, Saint angels, not saint. Then when all these saints bụ sọsọ unu bụ ndị saint, sọsọ ndị ọcha. Saint ndị Africa abụghị saint. Saint ajụ unu dị evil. Unu bụ ndị ọjọọ, unu ekwesịghị ịbụ saint. Still batrị unu, brain unu ekopụrụ ya. Unu ya akwa koneti ya back. Ekwunotago my own. Esomunu wee na-akụ here before. Ekwunotago brain might go back to me. Well, I'm gonna go me here. Mother ọbụla agbakọrọ again si m bịa soro unu febe that alụsị ndị Greek again. Alụsị ndị Greek ahụ eru m ahụ because ọ mana m ajụ ya. Ọ mana m ama n'eziokwu onye eru m ahụ. Onye abịakwasị m ka o gosi onwe ya. Onye gosi m because amarago m eziokwu. Ọ bịa gosi ya biko go na unu sa band setan ma band ya si ya ama m n'ịbụ alụsị ndị Greek. So ọbụghị m ka ị na ịbụghị ya bụ obodo nwere original one ịbụghị ya. So I am efe gị go and sit down. Na-anụ. So agwago m unu ihe m gwara unu. Baba na ancestors unu n'ọnụ na-akpọ ha n'ọnụ ọ na-egosi anyị nwa anaghị akpọ ancestors anyị n'ọnụ. Hey! Ancestors anyị na-emere m ihe na-emepeziri m ụzọ wee. Ancestors m because ha mana m anaghị akpọ ha n'ọnụ ọ na-emepere m ụzọ. Ọba na ancestors unu n'ọnụ kpọsibe na ike. Ịnụgo ndị ọcha bụ ancestors ha amaka. Negodi mmadụ ndị onye ha si na ihe niile ndị mmadụ ụmụazị ha gbuchiri n'ụwa nka ha mere. Ekwe ha block ọ na-ekwezi ka share ya share m ya they block it. All ancestors unu bụ ndị ọjọọ. Ancestors unu bụ evil. Ancestors unu bụ ndị niile dị n'ụwa. mmadụ n'one ka ancestors unu gburu. Mmadụ n'one. Yeah, mmadụ n'one ka ancestors unu gburu. Ancestors unu kpọrọ ndị mmadụ as slavery. Ndị ọcha niile akpọcha ndị mmadụ slave. Ma ndị Germany gbuchachara ndị niile ha gburu, kwa ha na-prosper. Why are they prospering? Because ha nwere brain. Because ha ma ihe. Ndị be anyị unu anọrọ ebe a na-akụgheri. Ndị Germany niile agbụsiri ndị niile ha gburu, ma Britain na na-egburu ndị mmadụ n'ụwa since unu ji mara ndị Britain ji gbuo mmadụ. A na-asị anyị kọsụ na-efolo ha. Bee ka kọsụ na-efolo ha. Ọsọsọ nọ ka kọsụ na-efolo ndị Igbo, ka kọsụ na-efolo ihe asọsọ mere ancestors committee. Ọ because unu ji na-destroy ihe ndị Igbo. I like ihe a that sister Chiamanda kwuru. Hapụ na ihe ndị dị n'ala Igbo unu destroys na ndị Pentecostal. Stop destroying it, leave them there. If you don't like it, people that want it will want it. You don't have to go and destroy. All ya na-destroy, all ya na-eburu unu, all ya na-akọsụ ahụ. Ọ bụkwa ihe ndị because ihe niile ndị ọcha niile egburu ndị mmadụ n'ụwa nwebeghị ihe mere ha. Ha ka na-prosper. Ha ka na-eme ọfụma. Ha ka na-aga n'iru. Ha ka na-develop everything. They inventing and inventing. Ka ngo na-eme onwe ha. Ancestors ha ọ dị sent, abụ dị sent. Ma ha na-eme ihe ọjọọ ka na-eje. Ancestors ndị ọcha ka bụ sent. Ndị ọcha bụ na-amazi na a na-eji ala ewere utu na-etinye n'iwa ike na-esi ike nsị. Unu emeburu ya. Ancestors unu mere ya. Unu emebere ya na because ndị ọcha akụziere n'unu na ọ dị mma. Aka ifuru ka esi were destroy anyị niile. Si anyị na omenala anyị ajọka, omenala anyị amaka, omenala anyị dị mma, omenala nke ọbụla na-adịghị mma. Ọ mmadụ na-asị na nke a ka ewepụ ya na ọ dịghị mma, ọ dịghị suitable, ewepụ ya. Nke na-emegide mmadụ, omenala anyị emegide mmadụ, ewepụ ya. Omenala ọbụla anyị megide mmadụ, wepụ ya, ọ dịghị mma. Mana unu abịa na-eme embrace, anyị emena embrace ndị ọcha ihe niile bụ ihe niile ha. Anyị emena ma good one, ma bad one. Now we are reaping it. Democracy unu mere embrace na golden coast we destroy ya Africa, Nigeria. Ndị China emeghe embrace religion. China emeghe embrace ha mere ka ifu China. O nwere ihe ndị ọcha teknọlọji ha ka ha jiri zuru were na-eme nke ha, wee na-abụzi ndị na-achị ụwa. Ndị niile ifuru na ajị ha nke ha bịa ha anya ha nke ha asị okay, we don't want this. Mana unu mere embrace ma Christianity, religion, mee embrace education, mee embrace gịnị again ka ihe ọzọ mere education, religion, democracy. Ebe ka o lidere unu. It's not working. None of them is favorable. It's not working. I don't want to talk much. Bye. I have said my own. You see, my hair is beautiful. So if you want to go, don't come close to me, or I am now Obanje. Onye ọbụla na-etinye black ihe a n'isi bụ Obanje. Nsogbu adọ ka ọ bụ like ọba na anyị. Anyị bidokwa kpọwakwa unu na-ewebe iwe. When we start now to call unu akpọwakwa na ndị onye na-eti ihe Obanje, anyị bidokwa kwubekwa na say stop, mind your own business. Serve your own God the way you want to serve. Let others serve. Ọkwụrụ na-achọ okwu o. Unu nwa bụ ndị Christian na-achọ okwu. Unu na-ejekwa jee na-destroy ihe niile dị n'ala Igbo. Hapụ na ya ebe a. Unu destroy ya. Ndị ọcha na-ejide yourself. Other places you go there, you pay money to go and view all those things. But our own, we are destroying everything. Destroying and destroying. Si na onwe ha na ọ ya na-akọsụrụ anyị bad luck. Ọ ya akọsụrụ anyị setback. Ndị ọcha niile a ndị ma Japan, ijekwa Japan ya afụka dị own alụsị. Ijekwa China ya afụka iji akwụkwọ ụgwọ jekwa na eview ya. Ndị ọcha eburuzie alụsị unu butezi obodo oyibo, ijekwa na their museum na-akwụ ụgwọ, na-akwụ pay money to go and view them. N'alụ ihe unu obere onwe unu. Ndị Igbo tụfịa unu eme n'onwe na alụ. Ikwuchana mbiko ka njeje lahụ ụla. Thank you so much for coming. Please, you don't mind share this program. Share. Our people must wake up. We will try. We will continue to be talking about it, and they will continue. And we are going to. They're going to. It's not everybody will wake up. Don't think all of us are going to wake up. At least our people are waking up already, knowing the truth, coming out of this indoctrinated thing they brought to us that is destroying our land. That's not doing us any good. All they are using it is for business, nothing else. Make money. It's on the self-employed. Once you go open a church, you're self-employed and start making your own money. That is what it's all about. Thank you. Remain blessed. Share this program. I like it too. Please. Bye. Good night. I love you all. Look at my hair, my curry, my curry, my hair. Damn, Amanje, to run away from Amanjo. Don't go close to her. Good night. Love you. Run away from Amanje. Amanje, run away. I never hear you. See, Patrick, they brew too much. But oh, don't come back. Bye bye. Amanje. Where is the end of this program? Let me end. Where's the end? Where's the end of this program? They are now calling anybody that wearing carries or manje that is it now, manje. Mad people everywhere. I remember you. Mad